Welcome. In this video, I'll show you multiple options to switch off your Samsung phone. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first option, you can go ahead and swipe down from the top. Okay, here we have a notification tray. Now go ahead and swipe down once more, and you'll be able to find the power button. So just tap on it, and then just go ahead and tap on power off. Now, another option is that you can go ahead and choose to activate your phone's assistant by saying maybe you have enabled Bixby or Google Gemini. All right, you can go ahead and say, turn off the phone. Let's say I have here, I think Gemini. Yeah, can you turn off the phone? So as you can see here, by just saying a simple prompt, you can then go ahead and turn off your phone. Now let's say your phone is completely frozen and will not respond to regular menus. Well, here's what you can do. You can go ahead and press the volume down button and then the side button or the power button. All right, for about 10 to 15 seconds until the screen goes blank and the device restarts. Again, volume down and the side button simultaneously. Hold it for about 10 to 15 seconds until the screen goes blank and the device restarts. So that is how you switch off a Samsung phone. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.